The market is expecting the FOMC meeting happening today to be dovish and boring. But what happens if there is a sudden rate cut? What happens if they deviate from what they say? That's bullish, right? Maybe not. Before I get to that, where are we with Bitcoin at this present moment? We are ranging within this period here. We've touched the top of the bull flag. There's a steady support line going up, and it looks like we might have broken it, might not. I think the market is really waiting for what's going to happen today to show the next move. Now, these next 3 days, including today, are going to be some of the most fundamental reports for the crypto industry. Today is the FOMC meeting. Tomorrow there's going to be employment data, and on Friday there's going to be unemployment data. All of these things are going to have an effect on risk assets, including crypto. In this graph here is going to show the probability of what they expect, the market expect is going to happen in these meetings. Now, there is a 95.9% chance that there's going to be no movement. And that, in my opinion, is great. We want this FOMC meeting to be the most boring outcome meeting that you can possibly imagine, because we have a trajectory that we are expecting a rate cut in September. So we don't want any variation or deviation from that. Some people are asking and begging, oh my God, in this meeting, there could be a rate cut. There's a 4.1% chance of that happening. That could possibly be the worst scenario in this meeting, because understand this, the FOMC meeting, this meeting, if something like that happens and it's outside of what the narrative they've created is, it means that there is something seriously wrong with the economy, and I will be selling every single thing that I have, because the next stage will be the mother of all dips. The pullbacks of the century will happen if that's the case, because the markets are not expecting this. The same thing is with the unemployment report and unemployment rate. We need a strong economy and a strong workforce and a jobs rate. If that is steady, and then we wait until September and that rate cut happens, that steadiness will cause a pump in the market. A deviation from this, which I am worried about at this present moment, looking at all the data that I am, an increase of any of these matters will cause a huge dip in the market. We want this to go exactly as planned. See, if it's boring, if tonight is a boring meeting and it puts you to sleep, you will see a rally in the markets, because it is exactly what the Fed is applying, and they know and they understand that the market is strong, and a strong market will mean a further push up towards the rate cut. And if everything follows as is planned, the rate cut will cause a huge spike in risk assets, including Bitcoin. So watch this meeting carefully. I'm Alvarez, the 7-figure crypto investor. Like, follow, share, save these videos. I'm going to be updating you guys on all of these matters. Look at the link tree. There's some really interesting information there, and I will catch you guys later.